Hey, what's up, our gamers? Today, Nico is playing in his world, is in his own world. So, he's gonna play in his own world. So,
First, I need to get some wood.
this is Nico, my friend. He is
7 years old.
He doesn't know how to play Minecraft, but luckily, I showed him the video of Stampy Lang Head, and he knows how to play Minecraft now.
Okay.
So, first thing, what do you need to do?
First I need to have is some wood, right?
Yeah, handshake. That was a glitch.
Yeah. I almost killed this snap. Ask wood. So I need to take 1 times of woods. A glitch. Gotta give some wood. Gotta give
There's
through this glitch. Okay, there we go. It's finished. So I need more.
So where are you gonna go? You
Where?
can't jump there. Here, give me. Okay, you can't jump there because it's
Please.
So,
So craft some wood. So we need more wood. Right? Oh, sheep. 3 woods. 3 woods.
we should have made a sword, man.
Yes.
Well, at least we got metal.
Oh, I saw another one.
Where?
There. Come on, go down, man. Man, go down. No, not there. To the other side.
Oh, there.
Yeah. See? Told you. Hey, did it been there? What a crazy.
Come on.
Hey, come on. Where's it? Get it. God, you're killing me.
Yeah. Now,
Now we need one more.
no, not this.
One more. One last.
So, first thing I gotta create a crafting table.
Crafting table, and we need 3, of course.
And then you get there.
So, okay, we
And then you
need.
create some sticks. And then you put there. You get a sword.
Yeah, wooden
You
sword.
get a pickaxe. And you get a pickaxe and stone. I mean wooden axe.
Pickaxe and wooden shovel.
Wooden axe. There you go.
So there we go.
So let me just
Get
throw it
wooden.
there.
So we need to craft. Let's make food.
Right. You
What
need to
pickaxe?
get some more wood.
Yeah.
Oh, another sheep.
Yay!
Now.
I can't have so bad, man.
Right. So
There's one more sheep.
you don't need that. You have a bed up there. Right. You have a bed. Right. So it's
Kill that man. Okay, so we'll take some wood. I will take some wood. I will take some wood.
wait. Because I need to make you a house.
That's why I know how to make some wood. Getting wood. But one wood.
It's an achievement.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of sheep here. Okay, 24. That's what we think.
So first is you go to a stone place.
Yeah, there.
Like over there.
I'll do it.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay, so we need woolen. There's woolen there.
Stone.
House. Yeah, super please. Hey. Right there, it said there we need to
Oh, find some coal.
Right.
We will not run.
How you need to walk?
What?
How you walk? I also found some woolen.
Huh?
Woolen.
What woolen?
I mean, for that
Stone.
not stone.
Coal.
Yeah, coal.
Wait, hold on. Let me get some.
Crafting table.
Sand.
Why?
some coal, bro. Oh, not here. Right, so... Hey! Ugh.
Hey man, not from there.
Yay, coal.
Oh, there. Yes. Hey, there's more of cool.
Wooden tools are weak.
Yeah. Oh, it's outside now. That's amazing. It is just like
I guess this will be our house first.
yeah. Oh, there's more
After
building.
all, it's just our first night.
Yeah. It's nice, so we can have some more.
So I have a problem here.
Yeah, so how we are going to get some, man? How are we going to get out?
Sure. We're gonna get up. Don't worry. Since probably a little bit.
Let's get some grass, man. Are you
I'm expanding your house.
are you flying?
No. We're in survival, bro. You cannot fly in survival.
Okay.
So I'm just go ahead
And we need to make a chest.
a
A door.
door.
And and here what I need to do. Wood. As the wood of the oh nice. Now I need windows from the sand.
You don't need. You just need. It's all about first night. If you put your bed here and furnish the chest, alright, it's good. And then,
Now I need to make a chest.
Done, bro.
What is this?
Alright, there you go. That's your house.
And I was like that. What is one more bullet?
Oh, no!
Oh. How can I play?
I need some stone. Oh man, you're hungry. And so we're gonna get some stone and some torches. Right.
Malalim ah. What? Okay. Coal? Ay, may
Yup.
best na.
Just gonna get some coal.
11?
We're gonna get lots of coal. I mean stone. We're
How
gonna
much?
so we're gonna have a complete stone tools.
I'll do it.
Complete
Can I do it?
stone tool set. Gonna do